and I think Atiya का भी हमारा यही style था, and a lot of people okay, a lot of people are kind of aping what their parents did to them, even if they understand कि वो उनके लिए अच्छा नहीं था, yet they kind of somehow or the other do what their mother or father did to them. अब होता ये है कि क्योंकि हमारे पास सिर्फ एक ही चीज, एक ही अंडरस्टैंडिंग होती है और एक ही रोल मॉडल होता है, और वो हमारे पेरेंट्स होते हैं. So even if we don't want to, we're just doing more of the same. And when we understand कि इस चीज ने मुझे बहुत तकलीफ पहुंचाई थी तो मैं चेंज करती हूँ अपना, तो वो चेंज जो होता है इंसान को नहीं समझ में आती कि हाउ टू चेंज दैट, how to move from what I have received to what I want to do with my kids. लेकिन the best thing is that you need, अगर आप parenting की बात करते हैं तो it is very good to fail your children. You know, that perfect parent, that perfect mother is वो बच्चे के लिए एक बोझ हो जाती है. The child doesn't know what to do with that. You know, when you fail your child, when you're not over available to your child, when you say that, okay, yes, I made a mistake, that is the most liberating thing for a child.
Then my kids will be great because this is all I've done. This is wonderful.
Brilliant. Yes. So and you know, just to feel that yes, I've learned over time, जैसे Sana बता रही थी. So that learning and that thing that you've learned and you've, you know, kind of implemented is something that your children are learning also. They may be resentful, they may not like it, but there is an acceptance of it. There's a saying, अच्छा देखो ये कितना अच्छा लगता है, कितना अच्छा होता है. So there's a lot of things that children actually are experiencing. एक चीज का बस ख्याल रखना चाहिए, वो ये है कि कॉल और फेल में तजाद ना हो. मतलब whatever you, that is why we would like these sessions, because अगर आपको ये पता चले ना कि मैं truly ऐसी हूँ, या this is what I actually genuinely believe in. It could be anything. It could be even the strictness. It could be, you know, giving them instructions, whatever it is. If this is my belief, then this is what your children are going to, may not agree with, but respect you for it. But if they feel that कह आप कुछ रही हैं और कर आप कुछ और रही हैं, जैसे अगर आप ये कह रही हैं कि ट्रस्ट करो और आप ट्रस्ट नहीं कर पा रही हैं, so then there will be an ambivalence there. Or if you're saying something to them and you're not able to do it yourself, तो उसमें हम ये कहते हैं कि the mothers should, you know, kind of experiment on what they are not able to do, so that they can tell their children with conviction. ये बहुत जरूरी होता है. And again, the best part is, Aju, how much time do I have?
Saipa, you have about 5-7 minutes before we open for question and answers.
Okay. So the best thing is that there is no right and wrong. There is no absolute. A child would not remember a lot of things that were not done to him, but the child would definitely remember the love that you gave him. Would definitely forgive you for everything that you've not done, but will never forgive you if you were not available for them emotionally. If you were not there to wipe their tear, if you were not there to tell them कि खड़े हो जाओ, जैसे शीनो ने कहा ना चाट लो, but the mother told her to do that. गलत सही की बात नहीं है, but she was there to tell them what to do. इसी तरीके से it's very important for the mother to be emotionally available for the child. अगर वो है अगर एक माँ, तो फिर मेरे ख्याल से parenting जो है ना, it's just experimentation, it's a journey, it's a pleasure, and it's such a beautiful thing of understanding yourself via your child, and of course understanding your mother through you also.
Yes.
So Saipa, thoda sa, do you want to touch on what about reparenting ourselves?
Yes. So वही वाली बात आ जाती है कि जहां हमको ये लगता है कि you know we are struggling to be good parents, जिसे हम कहते हैं ना कि we are not available, या हमें कोई चीज रोक रही है कहीं, we are not emotionally expressive, या कोई चीज है जो हमें कहीं रोकती है, तो उसके लिए हम ये करते हैं नॉर्मली कि हम अपने आप को रीपेरेंट करते हैं, यानी रीमॉडलिंग करते हैं ऑफ अ मदर, so that you can have another model to relate to. जैसे थेरेपी में द थेरेपिस्ट इज योर मदर, ट्रांसफरेंशियल मदर जिसे हम कहते हैं. So you experiment a different way of mothering, so it becomes easier for you to become a different mother than from your own mother. इसी तरीके से यही चीज आप अपने साथ भी कर सकते हैं. अगर हम अपने आप को लें और पीछे जाके देखें और वो टाइम देखें या वो एजेस देखें जहां हमारे हर्ट हैं, या जहां हमारे वूंड्स हैं, या जहां हमको ये फील होता है कि यू नो हमारी मदर हमारे लिए अवेलेबल नहीं थी, या हमारे फादर बहुत स्ट्रिक्ट थे, या हमारे साथ ये नहीं किया गया, उन एजेस में हम एज अडल्ट्स वी कैन टेक दैट चाइल्ड and try to console that child and tell that child that we are available for you and we are there, and then we take that child forward, and that's how we reparent, जिसे कहते हैं rescript our wounds by being available to our child, and that's how we bring the child back into the adult and have a different experience. The experience may be good or bad, वो फिर आपके ऊपर है, how you want to decide it, what you want to do with it, but it will be a different experience. वो जिसे कहते हैं ना, हम अपनी जो चीजें डालते हैं टूल बॉक्स, उसमें टूल ज्यादा करते चले जाएंगे तो खाली हथौड़ी नहीं मारेंगे हर चीज पे, हमारे पास आरी भी होगी, हथौड़ी भी होगी, और चीजें भी होंगी. So we know what to do, and you know, nobody can tell you better than you yourself. Believe that.
Okay.
Okay, back to you, Ajju, now.
All right. So should we open? We'll open now. We are at 25 minutes. We have about 10-15 minutes, and I'm Shri Appa is going to moderate the question answers. The question answers can be towards any of us. आप हमसे directly भी पूछ सकते हैं कि भाई ये बताएं, और हम में से जो बेहतर सवाल का जवाब देगा वो दे सकता है. So Shri Appa, over to you.
Thank you, Ajju. Thank you, Saima. Oh, that was so very difficult, the reparenting part. Maybe we will need some more guidance there. तो मैं तो बड़ा आसानी से आ रहा था ना, but I saw some confusions around me. Please, over to you, my dear participants, our dear participants. Please, any questions? Yes, Suman.
Right. I have a question. You know, I'm understanding my train of thought, and I'm understanding where, you know, what things I would like to change. But how do you balance it out when your partner is also very different to you?
When your mom has?
When your partner is very different to you, when it comes to bringing up your children, how do you balance that out then?
Right. Saima?
Okay. ये teamwork of course होता है, हाँ? We understand that. However, you need to give that benefit, that understanding to के तुम्हारा बच्चा समझता है, तुम्हारे बच्चे को पता है, even if he is 2 years old or 3 years old, he knows. So whatever you do, you see, the parenting is both. The child will choose which model he wants to, yeah, which role model he wants to pursue or take on as his role model. That's a choice. So अगर वो एक जैसे नहीं है तो अच्छा है, क्योंकि confusion बहुत अच्छी चीज है. इसके अंदर आपके पास वैरायटी होती है, आप ये चीज भी उठाते हो, आप वो चीज भी होते हो, और एक्सपीरियंशियली उठाते हो सारी चीजें. So in a way, if you're different, it's fine. There's no problem in that. You just need to believe in what you believe in and say that to the child. Let the child, you know, decide how they want to do with the material that you're giving them.
Also, what is,
thank you.
मतलब अगर आप लड़ते रहोगे आपस में, तो वो ट्रस्ट जो डेवलप होता है ना एक चीज का, और रिस्पेक्ट जो बच्चा जिसके ऊपर बच्चा बिल्ड करता है, वो खत्म हो जाएगी. So he will then know how to manipulate you too. वहाँ manipulation आ जाएगी, trust नहीं होगा. So you may not agree with your husband, but you understand that, okay, fine, this is what he believes in. The best thing is if you discuss it out, but if not, you can carry on doing what you want to do.
Yeah, and also not to contradict, because contradiction में confusion आती है.
बिल्कुल.
You can also validate what your husband is saying, and just again the positivity. Oh look, there's another way of looking at it. This is another way we go about it. I am saying one thing, and here your daddy, your father is saying something. See, there is so many ways to do something.
Yeah.
So validate it. Don't think of condemning it कि ये गलत है, because that's what you are doing in your, as a child you went through. Again, it's a pattern that is repeating itself.
And also, I want to add on a little bit. It's also about modeling for the child. Things are not always perfect, because that's again an example of perfect. Daddy didn't always agree with mother, but how did we take it forward? How was the communication? Was there respect in the communication? How did they sort of agree on their disagreements? So that's also a great learning point. Again, if it was picture perfect, the child would be very confused when he's thrown out in the world. Aisa to my partner is not like my dad. Now what do I do? But they would have a frame of reference.
Right.
Okay. Thank you.
We had a question from my group which came right at the end. वो किसका था सवाल, जिन्होंने कहा था मेरा बच्चा पढ़ता नहीं है, मुझे लड़के को पढ़ाना है. Please speak up. Who was that young mom? सना, आप तो नहीं थी. आपने नहीं, किसने कहा था कि मेरे अपने बेटा मेरा पढ़ता नहीं है?
Maybe they left.
Yeah, maybe there. Anybody else has a question? What about questions such as आजकल जो चल रहे हैं कि बच्चे तो सारा वक्त वीडियो गेम खेल रहे होते हैं और इस तरह की चीजें?
Assalamu alaikum, Shirin Appa. This is such a big question, and you just मेरा दिमाग उससे जा नहीं रहा था कि ये सवाल भी पूछा जा सकता है. लेकिन this is such a tragedy in our lives. My child does not eat a single morsel until he has a mobile phone in front of him. This is getting on my nerves. I just can't be so good all the time. How to deal with it? But because we are also modeling the same thing, I try my best to keep my phone aside when talking to him. Magar, obviously, there are other persons in your family जो मोबाइल देख रहे हैं, तो उसका भी एक टाइम है. मगर कुछ भी होता है, हर बोरियत का इलाज एक ही है, मोबाइल फोन. He is not interested in physical activity. He gets bored very easily in physical activities. I don't know if probably the environment is somehow such that he is not getting so much interest in it. Zahir hai ye sara lockdown and everything. But this is मेरे ख्याल से मेरे सवाल में ही मेरा जवाब है कि we are modeling this. हम लॉकडाउन के बावजूद इतने एनवायरनमेंट में इंटरेस्ट नहीं ले रहे हैं, इसी वजह से शायद बच्चे भी वही चीज कर रहे हैं. और but still I want to comment on this कि किस तरीके से डील किया जा सकता है इस ट्रेजेडी को जो इस जनरेशन के साथ हुई है.
जी साइमा,
एक चीज तो मासूमा ये होती है दैट जब भी आप किसी चीज को निकालते हो उसकी सब्स्टिट्यूशन जरूरी होती है. Like if the mobile is, you don't want him to use the mobile, then what do you want him to do? What is the alternative that you're giving him? Are you available for him? Will you play with him while, because अगर वो मोबाइल देखता है तो उसकी कोई नीड वहां पूरी हो रही है ना, कहीं उसका टेंशन जा रहा है, कहीं खाना शायद नहीं पसंद आ रहा तो he is just gulping it down because he's so, उसका टेंशन स्क्रीन पे है, कोई चीज है जो उसको मोबाइल की तरफ खींच रही है. So you need to see कि वो क्या चीज है और उसको फुलफिल करने की जरूरत है, rather than telling him not to do it. Because वो क्यों कर रहा है ये देखो कि वो किस उसकी जरूरत क्या है और उसको फिर तुम सब्स्टिट्यूट करो अपने आप से या किसी और चीज से या कुछ ऑल्टरनेटिव दो उसे. So he will be directed towards the other thing and he may not go to the mobile that much.
बिल्कुल, वेरी गुड. अच्छा, वैसे मोबाइल उसके हाथ में पहली दफा दिया किसने था?
जब वो बहुत छोटा था तो मैं लिटरली बता रही हूँ, I had little fights with my in-laws, telling them कि भाई ये बहुत खतरनाक चीजें है और खतरनाक चीज है, लेकिन यही हुआ कि वो फिर खाना नहीं खाता था, तो उसको टिका के बिठाना शायद फिर वो यानी कि एक वो शुरू हुई ना तो खत्म ही हुई कहानी। अभी भी वो मोबाइल मतलब अगर अब वो खाना खाने लगा है शौक से, मगर वो खाना जब जैसे आता है तो सबसे पहले उसके ब्रेन ट्यून्ड है कि मामा फोन लाइए, मतलब वो उसकी एक रूटीन का पार्ट है इतना ज्यादा कि वो मतलब अब वो बच्चे का ब्रेन जो है ना एक तरह से वायरिंग हो चुकी है उसी पैटर्न पे, तो अब मुझे भी लगता है कि हाँ अब यही है, दिस इज द वे आउट। इसको इसको किस तरह मैं रीवायर करूँ, ये एक बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट इशू है।
मोबाइल से तुम टेलीविजन पे ले जाओ, टेलीविजन से किसी और जगह पे ले जाओ, सो आहिस्ता आहिस्ता रीवायरिंग होगी, एकदम से नहीं कर सकती।
Thank you so much for the suggestion. Thank you so much. I am actually up to this, and thank you so much for this.
There are so many games you can create with your children. When my grandchildren come over for the summer holidays, तो पूरे 2-2 महीने के मेरे पास projects तैयार होते हैं. Projects are not only their, my grandchildren are 6 and 8 years old, but they have become entrepreneurs. They have become map readers. Map reader phone देना भी है तो उस पे compass की एक setting है जिसके अंदर से वो ईस्ट वेस्ट नॉर्थ सब लॉन्गिट्यूड लैटिट्यूड इससे सीख के घर में ट्रेजर ढूंढते हैं और नक्शे बनाते हैं कि कहाँ ट्रेजर मिला है ताकि स्पेशल कॉन्सेप्ट्स पढ़ें। फिर वो इंटरव्यू लेते हैं अपने खानदान नानी से मामू से कि आपका फेवरेट कोटेशन क्या है, आपकी फेवरेट सीनरी क्या है, और वो सीनरी हम टी शर्ट्स पे पेंट करके गिफ्ट्स देते हैं या उनको बेचते हैं। देयर इज सो मच। आप छोटी छोटी पर्चियों पे कहानियों की शुरुआत लिख दें कि यू आर गोइंग इन अ जंगल एंड सडनली अ लाइन कम्स इन फ्रंट ऑफ यू एंड डैश डैश डैश। अब आप कंटिन्यू करो स्टोरी को एंड वी गॉट टू एक्ट इट आउट। एक शेर बन जाए, एक हंटर बन जाए। यू गॉट टू बी सो क्रिएटिव, यानी कि आप अपनी जो अलिफ लैला की कहानी है ना वो घर में ले आए। आप शहजादी बन जाएं, उसको शहजादा बना दें, घोड़ा बन जाए, जेड़ा मर्जी बन जाओ, बिकॉज इमेजिनेशन को अगर आप स्पार्क कर दें तो किसी फोन की जरूरत नहीं पड़ेगी।
Yeah.
Shipa, Azlan had her hand up.
Yes, thank you. Azlan, please go ahead. Thank you. Azlan is muted and without a video right now. How did you see her hand coming up?
It's raised. They raised it. Azlan, Buruj.
Okay. Azlan, okay, she's coming on.
Yeah.
Ji Azlan.
Buruj. I think her name is, no, Azlan had her name. Yeah. I'm not sure. Are they there? Azlan? Raise the hand, but that's okay, I guess.
Okay.
I'm here. I didn't raise my hand, though I have a comment to make.
And then
I feel that parenting actually कोई set or perfect rule नहीं है कि जिसे आप follow करें. I think it's a very organic way of living, like relationships between your children, the husband, the mother. The parents make mistakes, they can make mistakes, everyone makes mistakes. The kids, we need to be very forgiving in that sense.
Lovely, very good.
And I feel that like, you know, there's no like with me, for example, what I feel that I need to, you know, because it's a very, it's not, we're not living in a perfect world. Our kids are, you know, they can't be perfect. We need to understand that, and we need to really keep reminding ourselves of that. So basically, I think many जो बहुत ज़्यादा जो हमें frustrations होती हैं या जो भी कि we have this perfect thing in our heads and we feel कि हमारे बच्चों ने ये भी करना, ये भी करना, ये उनको करना चाहिए, even though we don't do it ourselves.
Yeah.
You know, and वो जब हमारे model हमारे mind में होता है, you know, if it's
Guruji, you're breaking up.
working, which it probably 90% won't work because it's a perfect world that we have created in our minds. So वो फिर
Yes.
हमारे बहुत ज़्यादा
Yeah.
we feel like we have maybe failed or our kids are not good enough or I was just that's one of my sorry.
Thank you. Wonderful.
Thank
Very
you, Guruji.
nice.
Yeah, sorry.
Right.
You
Maha?
actually validated what we were saying.
Maha,
Okay,
carry on, please.
Yeah. So my question is how to deal with when grandparents are trying to tell you कि हम तो ऐसे करते थे और तुम अपने बच्चे को इस तरह से पालो, because they are a different generation और हम जिस तरह से aspire करते हैं अपने बच्चे को train करना, teach करना, वो बहुत different है from what they did. And though I do realize that having grandparents at home is a huge blessing, but then with the child there's a lot of learning and unlearning going on कि वो कुछ और बता रहे हैं फिर हम कुछ और बता रहे हैं. So how do you deal with that?
But just a tip from my side is when they say that, मैंने अभी आपको दिखाया था कि above 50 क्या होता है, we humans want validation. We want affirmation. It's just an attention seeking technique. पहले जवानी में बच्चे फटी हुई जीन्स पहन के attention seek करते हैं और जो बूढ़े होते हैं वो कहते हैं हमारे ज़माने. All you got to do is acknowledge with a big embrace and a big juppy puppy. Acknowledge and do your own thing. Maha सुनो सबकी लेकिन करो अपनी.
Plus,
Yeah.
Maha, grandparents are there to spoil the children. Understand that. They will do it. वो कहते हैं ना असल से सूद प्यारा होता है. You can't say no.